Assalamu alaikum and welcome to flavorful.com. So today's video is all about samosa folding and we are going to discuss everything you must know, like different techniques, problems you are facing like open edges and how to fix them, not finding samosa wrappers in your area, etc. Therefore, we are going to be using spring roll sheets to wrap, and in first technique, you can use regular samosa wrappers too. First of all, nicely thaw your sheets. There is a video, you can check that out. Link is in the description. First method is making samosa sheets out of these, and if you are using regular samosa sheets, then skip this and move to the folding step. Fold in thirds and then cut along these lines. Now take one part and make a half. And now cut along this line. Why I am doing this? Because these sheets are small and I am going to extend these so that we have good layers and crunch, like so. Size of this sheet is 26 by 7 centimeters. Now these are your samosa sheets, keep them covered. Now take a sheet and fold like you do with the regular samosa sheets. But here I have a problem. I always forget how my fold's gonna be. Here, here, or here. Or even if I use a pro method of this twist, filling and wrapping, I still left with big holes in the corners. See? Like this. And these openings are gonna soak so much oil during frying. So if you are facing the same problem, I have a fix for you. Check it out. Take out a wrapper, fold it in half like so, and make a crease here. Now bring either end and place it on this line like so, and make another impression. Now trim this edge. You must be laughing at me at this point, but trust me, all your problems will be solved. This is geometric solution of triangles. Yeah, I know, I'm a math freak. In these cuttings you can fry and make papdi for chaat. Now these wrappers will give you perfect triangular samosas. Let me show you how. First, extend with a smaller sheet which we have already cut. If you are using samosa sheets, then obviously you don't need this step. Now bring this longer end to the opposite side like this. See, a perfect triangle. Nicely arranged. Now apply water and flour glue to the other side. And again bring longer side to the opposite side. Like this. Now this is your pocket. Add filling generously. Nicely push with the help of spoon. Press the top. And put glue all over the edges so that no filling comes out. Once again, longer end will go there. Put your one finger here and fold. Again, finger here and put longer end to the opposite side. Finger here and longer end will go there, like so. Here you see that the edge is meeting the end point. Now either cut this end or give another fold. That's it. Perfect triangle, without any holes in the corners. I uploaded this method last year on my Insta account and it was a massive hit. I received some queries also, so let's solve those too. So the first problem which I received is the length of the sheet is bigger than the last edge of the samosa, like this. Here we have some hanging as compared to the smaller video. So either cut this end and make all sheets according to this length, or just give another fold and then cut this small edge to get front side clean without any seam, like this. Second frequently asked question was, can I use this technique without even cutting? So yes, you can do it. Let me show you how. Suppose this is your regular samosa sheet. Bring one end in the center here. Just like earlier, bring longer side to the opposite side. That's your triangle. Put glue on the other side and make another fold. That's your pocket. Add filling. Put glue on all edges. And keep on folding by moving longer end to the other side till you reach the end of the sheet. There you have it, a perfect triangle. Fix the edges if you find any opening, and see, beautiful, without any opened edges. Once you grasp the folding technique, then you can do it quite quickly. Now let's move to the next method. Place the sheet like a diamond and fold in half. Now make a center of this line by bringing both these ends to the top edge. Then bring to the opposite corners till the end. That's your cone. Adjust this end so that you have a no hole here, and both these ends are meeting perfectly with the corners. Let me show you one more time. Bring both ends to the center, then overlap them and bring them to the corners. Adjust the cone and make sure that both ends are meeting the corners. Now flip this end and put water and flour glue so that your cone does not move any longer. That's our pocket. Hold it like so and add filling. Push the filling with the back of spoon so that it reaches to the end. Push back the filling once you reach at the top. Now with the back of spoon, tuck these ends here, like this. Once the filling is secured, put glue over this edge. Now bring this cone here, like this. That's your perfect triangle, without any holes. Now let's check out third one. This method, cut the square sheet diagonally and make triangle. Now these are your wrappers. Bring one out, place it lengthwise and fold like this to make rectangle. This end is flipping, so I'm going to put a glue so that it does not flip anymore. Follow the folding rule, longer end to the opposite side, and I'm just putting this loop a little bit outside because that edge was quite steep. Now bring longer end to the opposite side, that's your pocket. Add filling. Nicely press. Now glue all edges so that your folds don't move and your edges seal properly. Tuck this loop in and keep on folding. Just like earlier. Now we have this hanging strip. Either you can cut it or just give it a fold. I am cutting here and I'm going to show you how to do without cutting also. That's it. Perfect triangles. One more time without any opened edges. Now let's check out fourth technique. This method gives you a jumbo samosa. That's why I'm using a smaller sheet. It's a 6 by 6 inches sheet. That's perfect for you. One end here, and just like earlier, bring longer end to the opposite side. Put glue so that we can seal this edge like this. Now that's your cone. Add filling. Once you reach at the top, push back the filling and push that pointy end away from you, like this. Nicely tuck in the corners like in method 2. Put glue all over the side and seal. perfect triangle without any openings. So guys, tell me in the comments which method you like the best. First one, second one, third one, or the fourth one. I think you can use any technique and all will lead you to the perfect samosas. If the video is helpful, share with others. Take care. Bye bye.